Hello dear children, welcome to the beautiful world of mathematics. We see so many wonderful things around us like historical monuments, big buildings and very interesting patterns which are made out of shapes, isn't it? You have already learnt about some of these shapes in your previous class. Let us watch this video about shapes and enjoy.
2D figures or shapes. Plane shapes that have measurements like length and breadth are called 2D shapes. For example, a rectangle, a square, a triangle or a circle. 3D figures or solids. Solid objects having three measures like the length, breadth and height or depth are called 3D shapes. They also occupy space. For example, a cube, a cuboid, a cone, a cylinder or a sphere.
What did you see in this video? Yes, you are right. We saw what are 2D shapes and what are 3D shapes. Here are few examples of 3D shapes. Let us see if you can identify these. Children, see here. What is this? Yes, you are right. This is a cube. Then we have a cone here. Yes. And this one, this is a cylinder. And this block is in cuboid shape. Yes, you are right. All these are examples of 3D shapes because they have three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Here is a true story of Jagrati school in Murshidabad, Bengal. The masons wanted to make wonderful patterns in this school. So, they visited the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan because this building has big floor with about 2000 patrons. Let us watch these images of the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Look how the bricks are arranged in these floor patterns. Have you seen such patterns? Aren't they wonderful? The masons came back very excited and made wonderful patterns in the Jagrati school also. Let us look at the patterns they have made. Let us have a closer look. Wow, really beautiful patterns. Now let me ask you some questions. Observe these patterns and try to answer. Which pattern is made in circles? Yes, you are right. The pattern which is given in figure J is made in circles. In which patterns you can see mirror halves? Patterns with mirror halves are nothing but the patterns which look the same at both the sides when a line is drawn in the middle. Let's draw a line and see. Yes, you are right. In all these patterns, we can see the mirror halves. Here are more brick patterns that we see around us. Let's have a look. All these patterns are made out of bricks. Nowadays, we get different varieties of bricks. Let's observe this brick carefully. How does it look? Yes, it looks like a cuboid. A brick is a rectangular block made out of hard material that is used for building houses, walls, pathways, etc. Let us observe how many faces it has. The flat surface of a brick is called its face. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can say that a brick has 6 faces. Now children, can you tell me which is the smallest face of a brick? Yes, it's so easy. We can see that this is the smallest face of a brick. Now let us see how many edges it has. Edges are lines that connect two faces as well as two corners of a 3D figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges. The points where the edges meet are called as corners. Let us see how many corners a brick has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 corners. So we can say that a brick has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Children, now you have seen the brick so carefully. Now, can you make out which of these is a drawing of a brick? Yes, you are right. This is a drawing of a brick. Let us look at the drawings of a brick. In the first drawing, we can see only one of its face. In the second drawing, we can see 3 of its faces. Children, come on now, let us try to draw a brick. First, you have to draw a rectangle. Then extend these lines and join. Now our brick is ready. You also try to make a drawing of a brick showing 3 of its faces. Can you draw a brick showing 4 of its faces? Try it out. Is it possible? Children, also try to make a drawing of your pencil box which is in cuboid shape. Draw it in such a way that you can show 3 of its faces. Children, bricks are arranged in different patterns to make walls. Let us see how our little friends are trying to make walls using wooden blocks.
Let's try to make a wall in these blocks.
Yes.
Let us see whose wall is strong.
Yes. Oh no, your wall is strong.
Children, we saw that in this video, one wall was stronger than the other. This is because of the pattern in which the bricks are arranged. Masons too do not put the bricks one top of the other. Now let us observe these images of different brick patterns. Here are photos of three kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing given. Come on, dear children, let us observe the Jali patterns in Jagriti school. How many different Jalis you can see in these photos? Yes, you are right. We can see at least 5 different Jali patterns in these photos. Look at these Jali patterns. They are so beautiful. Our little friends have also tried to make a Jali using wooden blocks. Let us see what they have made.
Let us try to make a jali.
Yes, let's try.
Wow, it's very nice.
Yes.
Also, let's have a look at these beautiful jharokas. Jharokas are nothing but open windows. Our little friends have also tried to make a jharoka using wooden blocks. Let us see what they have made.
Let's try to make a jarokha.
Yes.
Wow, it's very nice.
Yes.
Children, have you seen arches? Where have you seen? Yes, we have seen arches in buildings, palaces, temples, under the bridges, etc. Now let us look at these beautiful pictures of different kinds of arches. Our little friends have also tried to make an arch using wooden blocks. Let us see what they have made.
Let's try to make an arch.
Let's try.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Yes.
We enjoyed this activity.
Children, you too can try making all these using wooden blocks, empty matchboxes or any other boxes available at your house and enjoy doing all these things. Children, have you seen bricks of different sizes? Take one brick and measure it. Try to measure how long is it? How wide is it? How high is it? Children, we see so many different structures around us that are made out of bricks. But do you know how bricks are made? Let us see the steps involved in making the bricks. The main steps involved in making bricks are preparation of clay, moulding of bricks, air drying and burning of bricks. Here are 4 pictures from brick kilns. These pictures are jumbled up. Let's try to arrange them in the correct order. Yes, you are right. The correct order is C, D, B and A. Children, bricks are made in kilns. There are thousands of brick kilns in India, and in each kiln hundreds of bricks are made. Children, can you imagine how many bricks are made in 100 kilns if each one of them is making 1000 bricks at a time? Yes, you are right. 100,000 bricks. Do you know there is another name for this number? It is also called as 1 lakh. It is a big number. We will learn about these big numbers later. Once bricks are made, they are carried in trucks to different places. Look at these images and try to guess the number of bricks carried by these trucks. Now children, let us see if you can solve these. Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 bricks. The prices were also different for different types of bricks. Look at this table. Old bricks cost rupees 1200 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Intapur cost rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Brickabad cost rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. Bhajan decided to buy the new bricks from Brickabad. He bought 3000 bricks. How much did he pay? We know that the cost of 1000 bricks from Brickabad is rupees 2000. So, if we want to buy 2000 bricks, we have to pay 2000 rupees plus 2000 rupees are equal to 4000 rupees. Now, Bhajan wants to buy 3000 bricks. So, we have to add 2000 rupees plus 2000 rupees plus 2000 rupees, which are equal to 6000 rupees. Therefore, he has to pay 6000 rupees to buy 3000 bricks from Brickabad. Children, can you guess what he will pay if he buys 500 old bricks? Can you do this without writing? Yes, it's so simple. We know the cost of 1000 old bricks is rupees 1200. and for 500 bricks he has to pay just 600 rupees. Yes, you are right. Try to make many more questions like these and try to solve on your own. Children, let us revise what we have learnt so far. We learnt what are 2D shapes and what are 3D shapes. We also saw some beautiful brick patterns that are made in Jagriti school. We also saw beautiful jalis, jharokas and arches. We also tried to count the number of faces, edges and corners a brick has. We even tried to draw a brick. We also saw what are the steps involved in making bricks. We also saw that 100,000s are equal to 1 lakh. Dear children, hope you enjoyed today's class. Keep observing interesting brick patterns around you. We will meet in next class. Till then, bye and take care.